channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how to achieve this makeup look. So over the past few days, I did go to Ulta and I purchased a lot of new makeup, and I did use most of the products in this video, and this is what I came up with. I just love this look. It's just so beautiful. So if you guys are interested in how to achieve this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. But before we get into the video, you guys know the routine. Subscribe down below. Also click that little bell notification right next to that. That way you guys won't miss on any of my future videos. And without further ado, do I have a freaking hair? Guys, I had a whole hair on my lip. So I already moisturized my face. I kind of wanted to speed up the process because your girl is late. I need to be out of here in about 30, 45 minutes, and my makeup is still not done, and I don't even know what the hell I'm gonna wear tonight, but anyway, I'm doing it for the tube, so it's okay. So we are going to be trying out the new LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. This is the first time that I'm going to be trying this out, so I'm very, very excited. And I am going to be also trying this new Juno and Company sponge. This is a microfiber type of sponge, which is very, very, very unique. If you ask me, it's legit little microfibers. And I just think it's a very nice, unique, different type of idea. They did send me a lot of these and I have not tried them out, so I'm gonna try them out today. I am pretty scared because, I don't know, my skin kind of reacts to like different beauty sponges differently. So this is supposed to actually not even soak up any foundation at all, like not even little to no foundation. And it's supposed to obviously work like a beauty sponge, and it's supposed to leave you kind of like an airbrush finish. So we're gonna definitely test it out. And I already applied my brows and everything because my brows take forever. So let's go ahead and apply this. It's a little light. The first thing that the sponge says is do not apply a lot of products, but you guys know I never listen to directions, so we're just gonna go right in. So it has a little booty, of course, and then it has this long type of side, and then this is like a flat side. I think this I will use for concealer. So we're just gonna use this bouncy side right here. We're just gonna go right in. So the sponge does feel a little dense. It is definitely harder than your regular beauty sponge, but it actually is doing a great job. The foundation though, the foundation is amazing. Like, I can't. This foundation coverage is everything, and it feels like I'm not wearing anything. It honestly feels like I don't have anything on. Guys, this foundation looks amazing. It feels really, really good. I feel like I'm a little bit shiny right here simply because I just applied the oil, but other than that, I feel like it's setting beautifully on my skin, and it feels like I'm not wearing anything. It feels like my skin, but better. It just feels so, so good. I am very impressed, and as far as the sponge, it really did not soak up that much product. I mean, let's be real, I used a lot of product, and I feel like the product sat really, really nicely on my skin, and I don't know, it looks really, really good. Next, we are going to be trying out the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. These are the new concealers that have been all over YouTube, and people have compared them to the Shape Tape. I don't know if it's Tarte or Too Faced. Don't mind me, I'm not a fan of high-end makeup. If you are new to my channel here, you guys will know that all I use on my face and all I use throughout my beauty channel is just drugstore makeup. I am not a fan of high-end makeup. I don't believe in spending a lot of money on high-end makeup. Anyway, so we're just gonna be trying these out, and I chose two colors just in case one is a little too light, and I believe C7 is way, way too light for me. So I'm going to be using C9 in this concealer, and this is supposed to be like a nice full coverage mattifying, conceal and define, and all that good stuff, you know what they say. So we're just gonna be applying this, and again, I'm gonna be using that sponge. Oh yeah, this is definitely light. I'm gonna start off with a little bit because I am not sure how this one will work, but it does feel very thick. It definitely is a thick concealer, so. So I'm gonna be using the other side of that sponge right here to blend this out. Okay, so one, it definitely did brighten up my under eye and it left it so beautiful, guys. I can't even tell you guys how beautiful my under eye looks right now. I know I look like a ghost, but we're not judging that. I legit look so freaking airbrushed. It's not even funny. And the concealer, it is medium to full coverage. I feel like if you add another layer, it will be a full coverage concealer, but I can still peek a little bit of my under eye, just a tad bit. But as far as the concealer being medium to full coverage and thick and very nice and smooth and mattifying, it definitely does do that because my under eye right now looks amazing. It just, I don't know if it's the sponge or if it's a combo or I don't know. So now we are going to be contouring our face, and I'm gonna be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm just gonna use a tad bit of this to contour. I'm just gonna be taking a brush and I'm just gonna blend it out like so, just to kind of give us some color. For that, I am going to be using my favorite setting powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, and I set my under eye with this, and this is in the shade Light. And this does say that it works wonderfully with setting powder as well, so I'm gonna try this out and see if it does, and I'm gonna be using that flat side that I used for the concealer. Okay, so while I let that sit on my face, I am going to be contouring my nose. Contour my nose. So I'm just gonna take a brush like so, and then I'm just gonna dust off that powder. Okay, and then to bronze up the face, to bring us back to life, I usually do this, then I go forth with my eyes, but right now I just want to finish the face because, I don't know, I just love the way it is. We're just going to go ahead and bronze because I cannot wait to try out this new butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. Everybody raves about this, and I do own this one here, but this is by Physicians Formula, but this is the bronze booster. This is the butter bronzer. So I don't know, I really do love this one, but I'm very excited to try this one out. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And I did get this in the shade Deep. Wow, that is beautiful. And it actually smells really good. It smells like coconut. One, it smells really, really good. It feels amazing on the skin. Like, I just love it. I look like a sun-kissed Barbie doll right now. I just love it. And I think it really did help out the foundation. Like, low-key, now I feel like after adding bronzer and everything, I feel like the foundation shade looks 10 times better, honestly. Now for the eyes, I am going to be using this new eyeshadow palette by Beauty Big Gang. They did send me a couple of goodies. So this is their cute baby eyeshadow palette. This is the way it looks. It's just a cute, tiny eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. It's just like your neutral type of shades, like nothing special, but I really just want to try it out. These two shades right here are like calling my name, and they're like so me. So I'm gonna be using these two shades right here, very warm browns, and that is like so me. I'm just gonna take a regular fluffy brush like so, and I'm just gonna go in with that warm orange shade, and I'm just gonna put it all over my lid, honestly. I actually do need to set though, so let's start off by setting. And to set, I'm just gonna use that pink shade right here. I'm just gonna set. Okay, now let's take that. I'm gonna go in with that darker brown shade right here. And I'm gonna actually add that to my lid. There is like a little fallout. Just gonna put it with my pinky. I think the only downside of these shadows is how small the pans are. I wish they were bigger, honestly. I really do wish they were bigger because okay guys, so then I'm gonna go under my eye and I'm going to be smoking it out just a tiny bit because you guys know I love a smoky lower lash line. I'm just gonna go in with some gel eyeliner here. And I'm gonna use those two shades, like I said, to smoke out my lower lash line. So now we are going to be applying some mascara, and for mascara I'm going to be using my favorite. This is the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Wear Mascara. And what I do for my mascaras to make it easier to apply is that I grab the wand and I literally just bend it right here. So it comes out slanted like so. I don't know if you guys can see, but I love my wand slanted. Don't ask why, that's just how I apply mascara. It makes it easier and better. So now we are going to finish out with some blush. And the blush that I currently am using is by Clean Color. This is only a $1 blush, which is amazing. And I'm just gonna take this stippling brush right here and just apply that to my cheek. So for highlighting, I'm always going to be using this. This is my favorite ever. The Bad Habit Paradise Highlighting Quad, whatever you want to call it. And I love these highlighters because they're just amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the inner parts of my inner corner and then as well as where I typically highlight. And then obviously right here. And of course, highlighting my face. Oh, see? They're just beautiful. And for lippies, I do have this new Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick by OK Kiss. I did find this brand at Walgreens, or no, it was CVS. I did get this at CVS. It was super, super affordable, so I figured why not try it out. And then we are going to be lining our lips with this NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. So we're gonna line our lips and then add that liquid matte. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you enjoyed it and you love this finished look, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.